Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 24th June 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 9.5 points up move at the level of 11,763.5. So that's a huge cut. That's because Indian markets have given up all the profits which it has made till the level of 12,000 and now it is hovering around these levels over here. Let's see what US markets have done. On Friday, 34 points down on DowJones, 19 points down on Nasdaq, 3 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets may open flat to negative in today's pre-open and go up to the open session as well. What is holding the markets still as of now? So the level of 11,600 levels is holding the market still as of now. It is having a good support around the level of 11,600 which is holding the market, and if that is broken then we will see the levels of 11,563 levels and 11,500 very soon in the sessions to come. So let's see what Indian markets has to offer in supports and resistances as of now. Before that, what is fast stochastic denoting? Fast stochastic is a 20 and slow stochastic is a 25, denoting that we are almost near to the oversold zone and we had to go upwards from here onwards. What is MACD denoting? MACD is at 24 whereas the exponential at 58, denoting that we are in a total negative outright momentum in the market, which seems like the market may go more downer from here onwards, but there is no signs of up move. It's what MACD is denoting. So that being said, what the supports and resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. So the first support comes at the level of 11,700 levels, 11,677 levels and 11,633 levels. Of course 11,650 is a great support for the market, 11,633 levels and 11,611 levels, 11,600, 11,584 levels and 11,550 levels and 11,507 levels. 11,500 is a psychological support, support for the market, and if that is broken then we will see 11,400 and 11,353 very soon showing up in the market. So what are the resistances as of now in the market? Multiple resistances as of now. So the first resistance is at 11,771, which is the all-time high, which is the previous all-time high in the market, and above that 11,800, 11,860 levels and 11,900 levels, 11,926 levels, 11,963 levels and 11,991 levels, 12,000 levels, 12,041 levels, 12,100 levels are the strong resistances Indian markets has to pass in order for us to go really up in the tide. So that being said, that's the technical analysis for today, and if you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. That's starting next Monday till Friday. That would be a 5-day session. So I'll be starting a session from next Monday till Friday in my academy and in my GoToWebinar as well. So if you want all this knowledge, click on the first link in the description below. I'll teach you 3 strategies plus 1 strategy which is making 50% to 100% on a daily basis. So that being said, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.